live music. And if you don't play an instrument, well, I reckon you should try, because one day that could be you. We'll see you next week.
I can see that we might have to wait till 9.
Vision.